Number 2, UConn women's basketball lost to number 8 Notre Dame on the road, 79-68. So what exactly happened? Apologize for looking down because I cannot memorize all this stuff. I go over like how many points scored in the first half, second half for both of these teams, as well as the stats and the next 5 games for both of these teams here. And this was UConn's first loss of the year. It was bound to happen at some point. You can't expect undefeated. So at halftime, Notre Dame was up 39-28. Second half, Notre Dame scored 40 points, while UConn also scored 40 points. So thus, that was not enough, clearly, to force overtime or outright win the game. So what are the numbers for this game? And this is based on percentages, so it could have been really good defense and they still made shots. And the shooting percentages for overall for both of these teams were good, and it's very similar numbers. And I'll explain why. First, I'm going to go over UConn's numbers. 48.4% from the field on 64 attempts. However, 18.8% on threes on 16 attempts. You got to do better. 60% on free throws on 5 attempts. 30 rebounds, 11 of those offensive, 10 assists, 8 steals, 1 block, 13 turns, 15 fouls, 14 points out the bench, and 1, 2, 3, 4 double-digit scores that combine for. Okay, 10 plus 11, that's 21 plus 25. 21 plus 25, that's 46. Plus 14, that's 60 points, and nobody else scored 6 more points in the game. Now for Notre Dame, how many bench points? Just 7. And 3 double-digit scores combined for 16 plus 29, that's 45 points. Plus 16, that's 61 points. And one player scored 6 more points in this game and had 7. And very similar number in terms of shooting percentage. 48.3% on from the field on 60 attempts. So 0.1 difference. The difference was that Notre Dame made 55.6% on threes on 18 attempts. 78.6% on free throws on 14 attempts. 38 rebounds. 14 of those offensive. 17 assists, 10 steals, 3 blocks, 13 turns, 12 fouls. Now I'm going to go over like points out turnovers, fast break points, and points in the paint from here. So points off turnovers were even, 15 apiece. Same number of turnovers, same number of points off turnovers. Fast break points favored Notre Dame, 9-4. Points in the paint favored UConn, 36-20 though. So it was the outside shooting, and the defense for UConn was not enough. So what does UConn have next 5 games? So you got Georgetown at home, December 15th. Now the Hall of Fame Women's Showcase, you do play currently number 18 Iowa State, which that's going to change because they lost to Iowa. So maybe they're going to be a top 25 team or unranked. We'll have to wait and see what happens. But I would think you're at a better team than Iowa State right now. Just my humble opinion. December 17th. Now, you do host a currently top 5 USC team December 21st. So you got potential back-to-back tough games. But really, Iowa State game you should really win. It's the USC game that's the tougher of the two. Let's just be honest. Then you got Providence at home, December 29th. And to name one more game, it is Marquette on the road, January 1st. Now for Notre Dame, what do you have in the next 5 games? You got Eastern Michigan at home, Loyola, Maryland. The Eastern Michigan game is December 15th to December 22nd. Is Loyola, Maryland at home. December 29th, you got Virginia at home. January 5th, you got to go on the road to North Carolina. And that's potentially a top 15 showdown right there. But we'll have to wait and see between now and then on the polls. Then you got Wake Forest at home, January 9th. So anyways, if you like this content, Hit the like and subscribe button. See you guys later on the Reddit. 7 subscribers, course ultimate goal. It's 1,000 more, so my money out this course like video. Comment video really helps YouTube algorithm, so more people see it. Sharing the video does help as well, so more people could watch. And if you're watching and not subscribe, hit subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well.